Hey, it's Phil Evans with Bay Area Lifestyle and Keller Williams Realty, and today we have some very special guests. We have Ryan Leeder and Mark Harris. They are lenders, and they are here today to talk with us about loans and everything you need to know to buy a home, refinance a home, and anything in between. What are the different advantages or disadvantages of different lender sizes? We have the big banks, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, there's a big list. And then we have, I think there's three generally, right? There's kind of the middle guys, and then there's the really small guy. Talk to us a little bit about the different sizes, the benefits and disadvantages.
Sure. So there's not necessarily three sizes, but there's three types.
Okay.
And one of them is the big depository lenders, the banks, and we all know those, the Wells Fargo, the Banks of America. They don't just do mortgages, they do everything in between, checking, savings, you name it. Then you have the other end of the spectrum, and those are our mortgage brokers. That is somebody who really just deals with mortgages, but they don't have a bank to back them up. So they sit and they have investors, and they will broker out their deals to different investors. And then there are the middle guys, and that's what we are. We are a mortgage banker. So we also have a line of investors that we reach out to, but we have our own bank. So about 60% of our own loans run through our own bank, and then the rest we can reach out to our pocket of investors and find the best loan program for a buyer. Really, the advantages and disadvantages are the big banks all day long will probably quote lower rates. People love that. The disadvantage is they don't always get the job done. There's a lot of bureaucracy, there's a lot of red tape, there's a lot of phone calls that happen, things get lost in the shuffle, and a lot of times what we hear is when somebody is pre-approved at a certain rate, it often changes before they purchase the home because they aren't really getting fully pre-approved through the banks. They look at a few markers and they say, yes, you're pre-approved, we'll give you this low percentage rate, but then when the loan or the offer gets accepted, the rate is often much higher. Mm-hmm. The other end of the spectrum is that when you're brokering your deals out, is that you are at the mercy of everybody that you're brokering to. So if you're a mortgage broker and you broker out to Bank ABC, you're waiting on them to do the process. So it's the processing and the underwriting and the funding and the docs, all that is in somebody else's hand. Okay. Somebody like a mortgage banker, they have their own team, and so it's much more nimble. So we get to touch every part of that loan as it moves through the process, help it along, usually much shorter closes, less contingencies.
Well, thanks so much for joining me, guys. Again, we've got Mark Harris and Ryan Leeder. If you would like to reach out to them, how can they get a hold of you guys?
Definitely. You can reach me at area code 608-516-7221 or Ryan, R-Y-A-N, at Cal Financial, that's KALFinancial.com.
Or you can reach me directly at 415-519-6275. And also my email, which is mark with a K at calfinancial, also with a K, KALFinancial.com.
And this is Phil Evans with Bay Area Lifestyle and Keller Williams Realty. My information is down below, and please feel free to reach out at any time with any questions that you have about loans or real estate in general. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.